Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Dye Makeover. So you guys already know. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the tub, the shower tub that's leaking water. So as you guys can see now, so this thing is leaking water every day. So today it's time to fix it. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this problem. I know some of you guys have this problem, So look at this, it's leaking water. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. Simple, very easy. So you don't need expensive tools. You just need some basic tools, I'm gonna show you guys what tools you need so to fix that problem. So if you see your tub is leaking water, the only part you need is a moen. So I'm not sure you got the part. So this is the part I'm going to replace. This is the name of it. As you can see, this is a moen. So that's the part I'm about to replace. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Simple, very easy. So that's the tools you need. So by the way, I'm also gonna change that too, So the tools you need, that's all the tools you need. So don't worry about that. Also, don't worry about that. You need those three tools. You need Phillips screwdriver, and then you need some paint. I don't know what the name of it. So I think it's called pique. I don't know, so something like that. So you need that, and Phillips screwdriver. You also need the moen remover. That's tools you can buy at any hardware store. You maybe find it at Home Depot, but not maybe. So you will find it at Home Depot. Home Depot have it. So you need that tool to remove the moen. I'm gonna show you guys the process. First, I need a screwdriver. So let's see how I'm going to. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to show you guys something. Before you do anything, you need to shut off the water. Before you do anything, before you remove any single part, you need to shut up the water from outside your house. So I'm gonna show you guys. So now I actually I can shut off my water here. Okay. So now no water going inside the house. Okay, let's go back inside. So for the water to start, you need to open one of your pipe here. You can see the water going to start. Okay. Alright, see, now start. Okay. Alright, now do you want to stop? Okay, let's go back here. As you can see now, the water is dripping a little bit, so that's okay. Alright guys, so now let's take the screwdriver. first thing you have to do is to remove this screw. Very easy, guys. Easy process. See? Okay. Now okay, guys, so the next tools I need is the pen. The picker. I don't need a picker actually. Okay, so this is the next tools you need. Picker. Okay, guys. Alright. Okay. Yes, guys. So the next tools you need, guys, is so the picker. So why I'm using this, because I have to remove this little thing right there. You guys can see it. If you not remove this little pin, the moen not gonna come out. Watch this. See? That's why I said you need a picker to remove that. Very simple and easy, guys. So okay, so you can take your hand. Okay, let me check that. Okay, there you go. You guys can see. So that's what I need. This is what I said. You need a picker to remove that. So this is the little pin. See, guys. So you need that. It was there, so I remove it. Let's put it right there because we're gonna use it again. So don't lose that. Don't ever lose that. Okay, I put the picker back here. So now you remove this little stuff here. See this out. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how to use the tools I was talking about. So now the next one is that tool, guys. So how to use these tools is to put it like that. Okay, now first you need to unscrew it. Put it like that. See, guys? Okay. See how I put it? Like that. And then you screw inside the moen. Screw it inside the moen. You will stop when it's done. Okay, now I'll put the screwdriver again. So just to put a little bit tight. Okay, you guys see? Nice. Now I can tie this in. When you tie this in, the moen gonna start coming out. As you can see. Okay, guys, now I can now I can pull it. Hold on, let me put the camera somewhere I can try to show you guys better. Okay guys, so stay with me. You will see what I'm doing. Alright, so you probably need a winch. So to tie this, hold on guys, give me a second. Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you guys, you're gonna need a winch or adjustable winch. So what you're gonna do with that is to tie this. When you tighten it, the moen is gonna start coming out. Okay guys, so let's see what I was talking about. Alright, so that's why I said you need that tools guys. You see, when you turn this, it pull the moen out. I'm not sure guys, so the moen already out. See, put that back. You see guys, you pull that moen for me. Here you go. Very easy and simple guys. As you guys can see it. You see the moen. Now look at the inside. You see? Very simple guys. Okay guys, so I'm not sure. Now I'm going to remove I'm going to take the screwdriver to remove the screw. Let me put the camera here back. Okay guys, so let's see. Now I'm going to remove the screw. Guys, if you don't have that tool, you need to buy it. If not, you're not gonna be able to remove the moen. Very easy and simple, guys. So please guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, subscribe. All right, see, moen out. Now let me put my screw back. So you're probably paying that tools around $10 or $20, I believe, at Home Depot. So this is the basic tools, easy to use. See? Alright guys, so now let me clean the inside. Let me clean the inside now. Okay. Okay guys, so now this is the part I'm gonna replace. This is the moen. Okay, now I need to cut it off. Just a little bit. As you can see here, very easy guys. You don't need to call a plumber to do that job for you. You can do it yourself. So guys, this is it. So you need a little bit of grease. You need some grease, to put inside there. You can also find that too at Home Depot. It's called waterproof grease. This is a waterproof grease, guys, so it's good for the moen. So if you don't put that grease after a month or 2 months, you're gonna have to buy this part again. Okay guys, see, I put it there. Okay, also on that. So now just do it like that. Very easy guys, so remember to put the grease So what I like to do, I like to put some grease inside too. Inside where the moen going to sit, a little bit of grease inside. See? So when you do that, the moen going inside easy with no problem, you know. This is a very good brand, Denko grease. So buy that. Okay guys, so now let's put the one back in. Also remember the way you take it out, so put it back in the same way. Okay. Push it. Okay. See, so you need to go back a little bit more. Okay, so the tools they provide you is good. Okay, now you need the screwdriver again to push it. Okay, bingo. You see, when you hear peck, that means it go inside. Okay, all right guys, so like I said before, I'm gonna replace this part. That's not good. I'm gonna show you guys too how to replace it with a brand new point. Also this one, I'm gonna replace that. This is the one I'm gonna use, so it's very easy too. So I buy, let me see, so I buy this one at Home Depot, but I forgot I have this one at home, so I'm gonna return that and use the one I have. So I have to save some money, guys. No. Okay, so very easy. You need that. So this one go like that. See? Go like this. The screw, the hole where to put the screw, always have to be in the bottom. Always put it like that. Very easy guys. And then what you need the screw now to screw it. Yeah guys, so very easy process. Okay. Now I need a screwdriver to put this little screw inside there. This little screw, we're gonna hold it, not to go anywhere. You can see. Okay, this is good. Now it's time to install this little thing. I don't know what the name of it is. Inside that. So for me to install that, I'm gonna need to turn the moen up. I can install it. Okay, stay with me guys, stay with me. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Oh no. Okay. Okay guys, let's put the spot. So I don't use the screwdriver anymore. I use the Allen key. Okay guys, now it's tight. Now I can turn it back easy. See, I can pull it back out, can pull it back and very easy guys. See, you see, nice. That's why I said you need the grease. The grease make it come out easy. You see, perfect. See guys. All right, so you guys can see it's done now. Now we gotta try it. See guys, perfect. Now I have to open the water to see if the problem is fixed. Hopefully it's gonna fix. Now let me turn off this. Okay guys, let's go back and open the water. Okay, now open. Okay guys, as you guys can see, the problem is fixed. Open the water. Okay guys, so now let's see. No more water, no more leaking water. See guys, no more leaking water. So this is how you fix the tub leaking water. Very simple guys and easy. Alright guys, please do me a favor, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and comment down below guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Please subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, will help me a lot. You see guys, I sing for you guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe. Love y'all. Yeah, okay guys, so as you can see, I already installed the moen. So now we remember, you need to install the pen back. The pen, you need to install the back. So don't forget to install that. So now I'm gonna put it back. So it's a little bit hard for the pen to go back on. No, it's the easy process guys. Now I gotta push the moen a little bit back, just I can. And push it. Okay guys. Okay. Okay, alright guys, as you guys can see now, the pen is back. Okay, to make sure everything is good, okay guys, the pen is set. Put this little part back again. Okay guys. I'm gonna put the screw back. Where is it? Now the screw Put it back in here. So now I'll turn it back like that. I can install this part. Okay, now, okay guys, little pins. See guys, you guys are going to see the water going to stop. Yep. Yes guys, this is a very easy process, so you can do it yourself. So no help. Okay guys, so that's it.